Endo Peak. Powerful erections. Get the Natural Penis Enlargement Master and Become a Sex Genius books. Say goodbye to painful penis pumps and dangerous meds. Armed with the knowledge in these books, you will trigger your body's natural growth gene, while also learning the secret tantric techniques that'll instantly transform you into a sex master. Feel great. Have incredible sex. 100% natural male enhancement formulated to facilitate monster erections at will and increased sexual stamina for maximum pleasure. Reliable monster erections with more explosive orgasms. Increased stamina for longer-lasting sexual encounters. Faster, more intense arousal with a bigger appetite for sex. What is Endo Peak? Endo Peak's incredible formula brings together high-quality raw ingredients sourced from different parts of the world that work in synergy for maximum performance. It's the only natural supplement on the market designed to enhance erection quality and duration, along with providing increased stamina and a heightened libido. What are the results after using Endo Peak? You will start to get stronger muscles and erections, more energy and stamina. As long as you take Endo Peak consistently for at least 3 months, all your improvements become solid. This is when the inflammation affecting your reproductive system is completely eliminated, allowing you to experience satisfying sex regardless of your age. What is the best way to take Endo Peak? Simply take Endo Peak with a glass of water after the first meal of the day. Inside every Endo Peak capsule you'll find 8 carefully selected ingredients that support your sex life goals. Watch the images and read. Know more and buy this product. Check out link in the description.